Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a refrigerator clean with me. My refrigerator needs some serious cleaning. I actually can't believe I let it get this bad, but I'm going to be going grocery shopping. Well, I did go grocery shopping already, but on this day I was going grocery shopping, so I decided to get the refrigerator all cleaned out. So if you do enjoy videos like this, make sure that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm going to play mostly music throughout this video today. I am going to talk through it a little bit, but I do show you guys the products that I am going to be using. So here I'm just starting out with taking everything out of the refrigerator and throwing away the things that we don't need or things that are expired and old. I'm throwing in the garbage, and I'm just sitting everything else back out on the counter so that I can get started with wiping everything down the refrigerator. So here I'm starting with a scrub brush and a washcloth. What I'm going to first do is take out all of the garbage that is in the refrigerator and throw that away. And then I'm going to use my scrub brush along with the Lysol and I put it in a pot, but you can put it in a bowl. But yeah, I just poured the Lysol in the pot and added some hot water, and I'm just taking the scrub brush to scrub out the stubborn parts of the refrigerator that have like stains on it. So I'm scrubbing that really good, and then I'm also going to go in and wipe it down afterwards. I just want to get the stuck on foods off, and I'm taking the drawers out in the bottom as well too, and I'm going to scrub those out by hand. It was actually really dirty in the bottom of the refrigerator from the fruits and vegetables leaking at the bottom, so it was kind of difficult to get it all out. So you are still going to see some. I had to really go in there. I got it as clean as I could, and I actually like how it came out. I am going to go back in with it in a little bit just to clean it even more. And the same now goes for the freezer. I'm just taking my multi-surface spray and spraying it down and then giving it a really good wipe down. I'm wiping down the doors and also the tray that's on the top, and I'm going to wipe down the bottom and the sides.
I miss the times when we could hang out on the phone without the troubles in my life. We can do better, promise it will get better. I miss the times when there was room for everyone. We were just playing in the sun. Where is the happiness now? We can't turn back time.
So here I'm just rinsing off, well, wiping down all of the items that were previously in the refrigerator. Now that the refrigerator is clean, I like to have all of the condiments and everything nice and wiped down, just so that there isn't any residue on the bottom of them. So I just take some dish soap, rinse it through with some water, and then just wipe everything down so that it's nice and dry and clean. And so I'm going to do that with everything that goes in the refrigerator and then put it all back in.
I miss the times when
We don't really have a console table because our front door is right here. So sometimes, well, most of the times, we just take stuff and put it up here sometimes, because the only thing that's really kept on the top of our refrigerator is cereal, because we don't have a pantry. So sometimes we do accumulate papers or odds and ends, like stuff like this. So I'm just gonna get this all cleaned with this. Audrey's hair beads, Isaiah's hairbrush, school book, old Halloween costume top that Audrey still plays with, Mickey Mouse ears that I got from Disney World. I also wore this to Bless's first birthday party. I'll actually link that below if you want to check it out. This is a paper towel holder. I usually do keep this up here, but we don't have any paper towels right now, which is why it's not on our main counter. So after I wipe this down, I am going to keep this up here. This is my carousel twirly thing for my K-cups. I don't have any more K-cups because I need to go grocery shopping, so I don't sit this on the counter either unless it's filled. So, and then, so let me get rid of this stuff. Well, that's gonna do it here, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.